Chuku come to me in Serenity Recuperative Care in East Los Angeles, California, and in Carson, in all states in USA, in all family generation, ancestry worldwide. By the riverside of Babylon, there we sat and wept when we remember Zion. Sing to us, they say, one of Zion's songs, one of Zion's songs. Oh Lord, how can we sing the song of the Lord in an alien soil? Okuku calabash, Ikwalu, Ibu, ritual, Ikwalu, Ibu, ritual, COVID19, and all virus, to free all. I use all animals, roosters, hens, frogs, goat, agama lizard, owls, grasshoppers, orange sugar, pepper soup, 33 bitter colors, 33 uncooked eggs, offer to Lord Almighty Chukwu and Indoti all the energies, all Okuku Calabash energies, ancestors, all the energy, physical and spiritual government, Orammo, all human, and all the energies, to use them, wipe them out, wipe out all COVID-19 and all virus present in the future or future generation to come, and continue to wipe them out and free humanity, free the world. Skyrocket to sun, moon, all universe, all planets, stars, galaxies, cosmos, solar system, infinity, orbit, based in USA NATO science and technologies. Transfer to all family generation, ancestry. Transfer to Nigeria, Africa, Europe, Asia, Middle East, American continent. May humanity world be free from COVID-19 and all virus, and are bringing all forces in their foundation. So Maribi say, it's me, Sanke and Chiefpriest, Peter Odira, Nkwuaku, Los Angeles, California, USA.